In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost a post in Hootsuite. Boosting is a quick way to extend the reach of content that's already performing well, so more of the right people see it without rebuilding a full ad campaign from scratch. Start by logging into your Hootsuite account. Use the web dashboard or the app, whichever you prefer, and once you're in, you'll land on the main workspace where you can access all your social profiles and tools in one place. Next, head to the area where your content lives. You can open Planner to see your posts on a calendar, go to Publisher for a more list-style view, or navigate directly to your published content. All three paths show you the posts you've already scheduled or sent. So choose the view that makes it easiest for you to find what you want to promote. Now select the specific post you want to boost. A good pick is something that's getting strong engagement or clearly supports a current goal, like a product launch or event. Click the post to open its details and make sure it's exactly the one you want. Check the network, the copy, and any attached media so you know what will be amplified. With the post open, choose the option to promote or boost. Depending on your connected network, you'll see a button labeled Boost, Promote, or something similar. Click that to open the boosting setup without leaving Hootsuite. It's time to set your audience, budget, and campaign duration. Define who should see this post by selecting audience characteristics such as location, demographics, or interests, or use recommended options if they're available. Keep your target specific enough to be relevant, but not so narrow that delivery struggles. For the budget, pick an amount that fits your goals and consider whether a daily or total spend makes more sense. A modest test budget can help you validate performance before scaling. Set the start and end dates to control how long your boost runs. A window of a few days to a couple of weeks is typical, giving the post time to gain traction without overspending. Before you go live, review everything carefully. Confirm the post preview, audience choices, budget, and timeline. Look for any typos in the caption and ensure the call to action is clear. When everything looks right, launch the boosted post. That's it. You've boosted your post through Hootsuite. After launching, keep an eye on performance from the same workspace so you can pause, extend, or adjust future boosts based on what works best for your audience and goals.